Well, in 1987, 15,000 dogs were picked up by local dog catchers. Because of that volume and the recent attention that has been given to the conduct of so-called vicious dogs, animal control officers have informally discussed carrying guns to protect themselves against attack.
2 weeks ago, News 8 attorney Dan Byron examined the liability a dog owner faces if his pet bites someone. But what if that someone is a trespasser? Here's tonight's edition of The Law and You.
A trespasser enters your property and your dog bites him. What is your exposure to a lawsuit? As you might suspect, the law here is more favorable to the dog owner than it is to the trespasser. It's true, you must attempt to restrain your dog from attacking or biting someone who comes onto your property, even if that person is uninvited. That means even trespassers deserve warning that a dog is present on your property, and it means a system of restraint which keeps the dog away from any public sidewalk, should be in place. Let me give you two cases in point. In New York recently, a court ruled that proper precautions were taken when a 12-year-old trespasser was bitten by a dog that was chained and in a yard where a "Beware of Dog" sign was posted. Similarly, in a 1984 decision, the Indiana Court of Appeals ruled a dog owner was not liable for the injuries to a 6-year-old boy who had wandered onto the owner's property and then attempted to pet the dog. The animal attacked, inflicting severe injury to the boy. A lower court ruled in favor of the child, but the appellate court in Indiana reversed the decision and the judgment of $18,000, even though the child was an innocent trespasser. It ruled that the dog owner had taken reasonable care because the boy was a trespasser and the dog was chained and a warning sign was posted on the property. So as you can see, trespassers are held in a different regard by the court than ordinary people. This is Dan Byron for Wish TV, News 8.
If you have a question about the law and you'd like to hear Dan Byron's opinion, send your written question to Dan in care of Wish TV, Post Office Box 7088, Indianapolis, Indiana 46207.